What's up? It's me again, Errol, back with another video. Today we're doing sheet vinyl in the kitchen. I should give you a look at the job in a minute. So without further ado, let's crack on. Here's a look at the job. Now we've taken out the washing machine and the cooker, and we're going to get ready to bring the vinyl in now. And what I've done here is, because we have a lack of space in the kitchen because of the fridge and the table, is I've laid out the vinyl in the biggest half of the kitchen, and I've laid it up to the alcoves. And now I'm going to measure the alcoves and make sure that I've allowed enough vinyl, and then we shall start sticking it down to the floor. 34, 26. The cuts that you can see I'm making in the corner, they're called V cuts, and it helps the vinyl to sit down into the corner so that you can trim it down. The size of this vinyl that we're fitting today is 4 meters by 4 meters. The net measurement is 3.7 by 3.8. I think it's time for us to hit a time lapse, and I'll see you on the other side of the time lapse. So now we'll peel back the vinyl and start spraying down some glue. And do remember to spray the floor and the back of the vinyl. What I'm using is a contact adhesive. And as you can see, there's a little bit of vinyl going up the wall, because obviously the kitchen is not straight, but the vinyl has to be straight. And do remember to spray the floor and the back of the vinyl. What I've done here, I've taken a piece of scrap vinyl and I'm putting it underneath the fridge, so as I move the fridge I don't mark the vinyl. Now that we have stuck down the first side of the kitchen, I think it's time for us to hit a time lapse, and I'll see you on the other side of the time lapse. And do remember to spray the floor and the back of the vinyl. There you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these type of videos, please check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.